Hey guys, so today we are doing an unboxing video and I just got this package the other day and I was so excited to open it, but I was really tired. And I thought like, oh okay, I think we're gonna open this together. So let's open this bag. I love this bag so much. The first time I saw it on TikTok, I fell in love with it. I've never seen this in person, but I know that I like this bag just the moment I saw it. Okay, so like that. Okay, and the reason I purchased this bag is also it's gonna be my birthday, so this is a gift for myself. So this is like a card which includes all your, I think, receipts and return label and all that. I actually got a digital receipt that they sent me through my email. So I think these are just like, this one is like a return label and like stuff like that. So let's open it up. And there you go. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a perfume sample. So they sent me a sample. And there's how many? There's two. So there's Spell on You right there. And the other one is Another Spell on You. So they got me two Spell on Yous. Okay. We'll smell that later. And then how cute is this? Oh, wait. Okay. And there's like a card for the perfume. I think this is their new perfume. I'm not sure. I haven't bought any Louis Vuitton perfumes, but I remember when I bought a wallet or a purse in Paris that they also gave me a lot of perfume samples. I think there were like 9 perfume samples, including men and women's perfume. So yeah. So this is the bag. Let's see. Oh my gosh. This is like actually smaller in person. Like I'm looking at it right now and it's smaller in person. So this is the Easy Patch On Strap by Louis Vuitton. It's in a black on-print leather. It's so cute. Like it's almost as big as the Felici. So here's my Felici. And I think my Felici is still like bigger on the side. Like, I don't know. Like, look at that. Like, it's, I don't know if you could see it, but it's almost the same, but the Felici feels like it's bigger or wider. Like, so going back to this bag. Ooh, I really like it. It's small. It's like, you know, how I want it. It's actually cute. And there's a strap. One is a adjustable leather strap and the other one is a chain strap. It's a chain. Okay, so there's an LV logo on the chain. So excuse my unmanicured nails right there. And it's in gold. And the strap is black and adjustable. Has a gold hardware and a Louis Vuitton like print. Also, it says here, I think it also says here Louis Vuitton. I don't know. It's kind of scratchy in there. It's like a snap here. Like that. Like that. And if you want to adjust it, make it longer, you can do that as well. And there's like, they meet here. And then you can snap that. Like that. And there's gonna be this, it's gonna be sticking out. And on the other side, there's gonna be this, it's like sticking out. And when you shorten that strap, you kind of like just pull like that. And then clip or like snap it. Same on the other side, snap it. And now we're gonna attach the strap here. Snap it. Other one also snaps like that, right there. Cute. And now you can also snap this in here. And do this in here like that. The zipper also has a Louis Vuitton logo or name or print. And then close it like that. So it has this. And it looks like that. And also you can take this out. And just use this one. Like that. So you can use it at night. You can dress it up, dress it down, whatever you want. Yeah. And the inside of the bag is this one, just that. And this one is like a stripe. I don't know the exact color. It's like brownish. And let's see what we can fit in this bag. Okay guys, so these are the normal things that I bring with me if I go out. And I don't usually bring a lot, so I would just bring a sanitizer. Let's put that in. Okay, let's put that in there. My Rosalie coin purse or wallet. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. Alright, so that's how it looks like. I could put my blush on that part and my powder and my mini perfume. So you could still put your I think sunglasses here on top of your, or if you have your keys, your house keys. I have a keyless car. And I also have a keyless doorknob at home, so I don't usually bring keys, but this is how I would bring with me if I go out. And the zipper close nicely, and that's how it looks like. It's not bulgy or anything at all, so you can see like the shape is fine.